In this video, I'm going to show you how to leave a post in OnceHuman. So this is actually very easy. What you have to do first is walk up to your local supplies workbench and press F. And in here, you want to craft a whisper. As you can see, here's one. It costs only 5 logs. It's very cheap. You want to simply craft it. And then it will take 5 seconds for it to craft. And then once that's done, you simply want to click on it. Get out, press I to open up inventory. And inside your inventory, click on this wrench. In here, you'll see there's a whisper, okay? Now, the way to use it is by dragging this whisper down onto your hotbar. Simply drag it down to your hotbar, and that's pretty much it. You'll get it in there. And then, once you have the whisper, you can use it by clicking that key on your hotbar. As you can see, for me, it's the dash key, or the minus key. You want to press it, and you'll be able to write a post. So in here, you can add a title to get more views, add a tag, you can create a template and post anything you believe is useful. You can also add an image, as you can see, and you have a total of 5 basically posts per day, okay? And as you can see, you can also check your messages, and you can also search for different nearby kind of posts. And then once you've written what you want to write, let's say you want to write hello or something like this, hello. And then you want to add a tag, so let's say you want to put other, and then you want to, you want to click other and then press confirm, and then in here you can post whatever you want. Let's say hey, and yeah, then you basically want to click leave message or press F on your keyboard, and you've successfully left a message. As you can see, whisper posted. It will take a while to appear, and then once the whisper does appear, other players and people in the game will be able to read it and react to it and kind of find it useful in case you provide some tips, like it, dislike it, and stuff like that. So that's pretty much it. That's how you create a post or make a post in OnceHuman. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to this channel.